You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna start off by applying this primer that I did get from Boxycharm. I have told you guys that I have struggled with my skin recently. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it is super dry. I have dry patches everywhere, so this next product is what's been helping me in my makeup. It's the Wet n Wild primer. It feels amazing once you put it on your skin, and this video is going to be a fail, you guys. So many things went wrong, from my foundation to my concealer color to my powder to what else happened. So many things went wrong, but this foundation, you do not need a whole lot of it. You can see my face of panic here because it was my very first time using it, and once I started to like blend it out like this, here I am telling my sister that she did a really bad choice at picking out my color because she's the one who chose it out for me. It ended up looking okay. You just have to, like, I just had to wipe a lot of it off, and then I made it work, but it was very scary. So now I just blended that out with a beauty blender because those tend to soak up most of the product, which was amazing. And then I went in with the Born This Way concealer that was super yellow. Again, I was scared. I was very scared, but I still made it work. At one point I thought I'm just gonna wipe off everything and start all over, but I didn't. I pushed through and it ended up looking okay. So if you are ever in that situation, just keep going. Just keep going. It'll be fine. The next thing I'm going to do is powder my face, or kind of bake, with my Ben Nye banana powder. This is, I think, my third time using it. I've had it in my vanity forever and I never used it, and I was actually gonna order it, but I was going through my makeup in my vanity and I saw that I had it already, and I was like, what the heck, I'm gonna start using it, and I did, and I like it. But again, it looks very yellow compared to the foundation, but still I made it work. I did it. Going on to my eyebrows, I am using the, I believe this is Milani, the Stay Put brow color in the shade Brunette. I love the way this stuff works. It doesn't say that it's waterproof, but using this for as long as I've had, for as long as I've had, does that make sense? I don't know, you get it though. I've been using this forever and I really love it. I also really like the Maybelline one, but the Milani one is probably my favorite brow pomade. So if you guys are looking for something that'll stay on your eyebrows for a really long time and something that's very affordable, then I would definitely look into the Milani brand. To do the rest of my face, I'm going to use the medium light CoverGirl Clean Matte Powder. I think this is what kind of saved the day, because it does have a little bit of color and it kind of like blended everything in together. And from my Boxycharm, I did get this bronzer palette. Also, this was, I thought I had done it, like, I thought this is the time where I just need to wipe this off, because as I was blending this on my forehead, I got this, like, it looked like I had been punched in the forehead, you guys. It was crazy. Right there. I don't know what happened. I think it was the foundation that I didn't really set it right, and this powder just like kind of stuck onto it. But I still made it work. Just blend it out with your beauty blender and it works. For my blush, I did use this Halo Marbled Light blush that I've also received from Boxycharm. I think most of the makeup that I use is from Boxycharm most of the time, because why not? My highlighter though is from Huda Beauty. I think I have used this like 3 times since I've gotten it, but it's the Nymph Flora highlighting powder. This stuff makes you look wet. It's so pretty. It's ginormous. This stuff is gonna probably last me till the day that I die or something. I don't know, God forbid, right? But it is super pretty. It also costs an arm and a leg, so I kind of expect it to be that pretty, but it does a really good job. To set my face, I'm gonna use the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Mist. Not my favorite because towards the end I noticed that shimmy, I did notice that like the spray, the mist was very harsh. You guys can see under my eye there, like it took off a patch of my powder or something. And I noticed little dots all over my face, like where the water just like kind of sat on my face for too long and it just moved like makeup around and stuff. So I didn't really like it, but I would definitely recommend the Morphe setting mist over this one. So now I'm going to use the Nude Palette by Huda Beauty, and I went in with the shade Play first, or like Play, the shade Play first in my transition, and then I went in with Teddy a little bit lower in my transition, or like in my crease, for my transition shade. I hope that makes sense. I'm trying, you guys. I haven't done this in so long. The next shade I'm going to go in with is Raw, and I'm going to keep this mostly like in my outer V, but I'm also going to bring it in to my crease, but like a little bit lower, not so much in the transitional area, just because I'm going to attempt to do a cut crease, and I haven't done that in a while, so I did struggle, but I think I still made it work a little bit. And then to darken up the outer V a little bit more, I went in with Love Bite and Spanked. I just dipped both of those shades at the same time, and then I packed that into the outer corner. I was talking to my cousin, so if I'm looking off to the side, that's what I'm looking at, or who I'm talking to. And yeah, and then here comes the fun part, trying to cut my crease. I did go back in with the Too Faced concealer. I hadn't done this in so long. I thought I was gonna mess it up at one point. Like, this whole makeup video almost didn't make it because I've just been struggling so much with quality. So I'm trying to fix like the quality in my videos. I'm trying to figure out what backdrop you guys like better, the pink or like my vanity as my backdrop. So let me know which one you guys prefer. Now on my finger I am going to go in with Daydream, which is this glitter. So out of all the glitter shadows in this palette, you guys need it because these are beautiful. I did have to go in with a brush to get it closer into my like the crease area. And then I did go back in with Raw and a little bit of Love Bites, and I did put that over the like the cut crease part. I'm showing you guys these lashes. They are from Eye Candy, I believe that's the brand. I will leave her information down below. Her name is Sydney. I do have like 7 more styles to show you guys, so I will be showing you guys those in the next video. But these are in the style Dulce. They are so pretty, you guys. So if you guys want to pick up these lashes, I will leave all her information down below. But I did show you guys 3 of my favorite styles. But like I said, there's 10 more, and then she also sells lash books. So I'll leave her Insta down below so that you guys can go check out all her stuff. She sells different things besides lashes, but I'm just letting you know, little promotion. For my lips, I am going to use this Clarins Lip Perfector kind of thing. This stuff felt like mousse on my lips. It was so soft. It was very matte, but at the same time, like, it was still movable, if that makes sense. It was amazing. I loved it. I love the way that it felt on my skin, on my lips, I mean. To tight line, I had gone in with a nude eyeliner on my lower lash line, but I didn't like the way that it looked, so I went back in with the Ink Black Gel Eyeliner, and I feel like that just tied in the look. And that pretty much does it, you guys. I'm so sorry if this was confusing or super fast or something. Let me know if you guys enjoy these types of videos. It was super easy for me to make, so if you guys enjoyed it, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.